have in front of me an 8-channel AHD DVR. It's 2 megapixel. It comes with 6 dome cameras, and it's on special offer as a kit. So there's free delivery with it as well. So first of all, how special offer is it? Well, if you drove to the factory in China that made this, you wouldn't be able to buy it as cheaply as we're selling it to you, simply because we bought a big clearance lot in the UK, brought it in, so the value on it's absolutely super. So where we're marketing this is probably about a third or a quarter of the comparable ones that are on the website. So really, really good value from that perspective. So what do you get in the kit, and will it work with your smartphone? The first thing is it'll work with your smartphone. We have a separate app that comes with this. We have a video for it, and the setup time on it is 3 to 4 minutes. So you just follow it step by step. You don't need a static IP address. You don't need to know anything about IP addresses, nothing. It's a couple of scans on your phone and up it's running. Just download an app from the App Store. It'll work with both Google and Android device, or Android and Apple devices. So what do you get? The DVR itself comes in this outer box here. So we have a total of 8-channel output here. Okay, so up to 8 cameras can be supported. We're supplying a total of 6 with it. Depending on the number of cameras and the resolution setting you have on it, we have an option of no hard drive, which is the default, or 1 terabyte hard drive. We'll probably give you about 6 days recording. Okay, so let's just look at how we would connect up a camera here. So I'm just going to grab a camera, and you'll notice we'll say there's LED lights in it, which gives you night vision on it. Okay, so about 15 meters of night vision on it. And we have a BNC connection, which is for the actual the picture, and the power connection for the power thing. And what I'm doing here is I just grab one of these leads here. So if you come along, the power will be running directly off a power unit that comes with the supply, and it just pushes directly in. And then the BNC connection here, we just press it in and rotate it. It's locked firmly, and on the far end we just grab this and we screw it literally directly into the back of the DVR that's here. So incredibly simple to set up. You don't need any tools whatsoever for doing it. The only thing you're going to need is a drill, we'll say, for mounting the camera onto a wall, something like that. Okay. So even the screws and bolts that you need for doing that are provided inside the kit. There's not one single thing you need to buy in addition to this kit. Now you'll see these cameras here that we're showing, they're actually 1 megapixel, so they're lower than the capacity of what the DVR can support. We do have the option, if you want to upgrade and go with a 2 megapixel camera, these ones are here. It's going to cost you around €10 extra per camera to do that, okay? So you'll see that as an option on the thing. So the two options basically on the kit are, do you want a hard drive, do you want to record, do you want to go for 1 or 2 megapixel here. 2 megapixel normally would be counted by the equivalent of a high definition television channel on your satellite receiver, something like that. So you see the output of it here run directly over, so you can see me in double here, but also to see me in treble, you can actually come along and I have this set up. This is actually the XMI app, so I set this up on the phone in a region of 2 to 3 minutes. And you can just see how quick the process is. It's absolutely super. So that's it anyway. An overview of the 8-channel AHD kit. Comes with 6 cameras, 2 options on it, hard drive and the megapixel rating. And it's available for next day delivery directly from freetv.ie.